Fermi Paradox. Where are all the aliens? The Fermi Paradox is a contradiction between the high probability of the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of any evidence for their existence. It is named after Enrico Fermi, who first posed the paradox in 1950. Since then, scientists and thinkers have grappled with the question of why we have not yet detected any signs of extraterrestrial life. We will explore the Fermi Paradox in depth, examining various possible solutions and theories. The Fermi Paradox explained. The Fermi Paradox can be stated in the following way. If there are billions of stars in our galaxy that are similar to our Sun, and many of these stars have Earth-like planets, then why haven't we detected any signs of extraterrestrial life? This paradox has puzzled scientists for decades and has led to a variety of possible solutions. One possible solution is that advanced civilizations are rare in the universe. It is possible that life is rare and complex life even rarer, meaning that the emergence of intelligent civilizations may be an extremely rare occurrence. However, the vastness of the universe and the number of habitable planets make this explanation less likely. Another possible solution is that civilizations tend to self-destruct. This could happen through environmental disaster, war, or the development of technology that becomes too powerful to control. The idea that civilizations may self-destruct is known as the Great Filter. If the Great Filter exists, it could explain why we haven't detected any signs of extraterrestrial life. Yet another possibility is that civilizations may be too far apart in time and space to communicate. Even if civilizations do exist, the distance between stars is so vast that it may be impossible to detect each other's signals. It is also possible that extraterrestrial civilizations have already come and gone, leaving no trace behind. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Despite the Fermi Paradox, scientists continue to search for extraterrestrial life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, is a scientific effort to detect signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. The SETI program uses a variety of techniques to search for these signals, including radio telescopes and optical telescopes. The most famous SETI project is the Breakthrough Listen project, which began in 2015. The project is funded by Russian billionaire Yuri Milner and has a budget of $100 million. The project uses radio telescopes to search for signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. The project has yet to detect any signs of extraterrestrial life. Another technique used by SETI is to search for evidence of extraterrestrial engineering projects. This could include structures or artifacts on other planets or moons that could not be explained by natural processes. However, no such evidence has been found. Possible solutions to the Fermi Paradox. There are many possible solutions to the Fermi Paradox. One solution is that extraterrestrial civilizations may be using a form of communication that we are not able to detect. For example, they may be using a different part of the electromagnetic spectrum or using quantum communication, which is not detectable by our current technology. Another possible solution is that civilizations tend to colonize their own solar system and do not venture beyond it. This can be due to the vast distances between stars or the difficulty of developing interstellar travel. If this is the case, then we may never detect signs of extraterrestrial life, as they would be confined to their own solar system. The idea of a galactic zoo is another possible solution to the Fermi Paradox. This theory suggests that advanced civilizations are aware of our existence, but have chosen not to contact us. They may be observing us, but have decided not to interfere in our development. This can be due to ethical considerations, such as not wanting to disrupt our society, or the idea that civilizations should develop on their own without external influence. The concept of a galactic quarantine takes this theory one step further. This theory suggests that advanced civilizations have placed a quarantine around Earth, preventing us from detecting or contacting other civilizations. This could be for our own protection or for the protection of the universe from a potentially dangerous civilization. The possibility of a simulation hypothesis is another solution to the Fermi Paradox. This theory suggests that we are living in a simulated reality created by a more advanced civilization. If this is the case, then extraterrestrial civilizations may not exist in the same physical reality as we do, making it impossible for us to detect them. Another possibility is that we have already detected signs of extraterrestrial life, but we have not recognized them as such. This could be due to our limited understanding of the universe. or the fact that extraterrestrial life may be very different from life on Earth. Implications and future research. The Fermi Paradox has important implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. If we do find evidence of extraterrestrial life, it would fundamentally change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It would also have important implications for our understanding of biology, as we would be able to study life forms that evolved under different conditions than on Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life is a rapidly evolving field, and new technologies and techniques are being developed all the time. For example, the James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to launch in 2021, will be able to detect the atmospheres of exoplanets, which could provide important clues about the presence of life. The Breakthrough Starshot project, which is also funded by Yuri Milner, aims to send a fleet of tiny spacecraft to Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to Earth, within our lifetime. You are not separate from the universe. The Fermi Paradox is a puzzle that has puzzled astronomers and scientists for decades. It asks the question, if there are billions of stars in our galaxy and billions of potentially habitable planets, why haven't we detected any signs of intelligent life beyond Earth? One potential answer to this paradox is the idea that we are not separate from the universe, but rather, we are a part of it, the universe as a whole. The idea that we are not separate from the universe is based on the concept that everything in the universe is interconnected. This idea is not new and has been explored by philosophers and spiritual traditions for centuries. It is also supported by modern physics, particularly the theory of relativity and quantum mechanics. The theory of relativity states that space and time are not separate entities, but rather they are intertwined in a four-dimensional fabric called spacetime. This means that everything in the universe is connected by spacetime, and events that happen in one part of the universe can have an effect on events in another part of the universe. Quantum mechanics, on the other hand, describes the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and subatomic level. It shows that particles are not separate entities, but rather they are part of a larger wave function that describes the entire system. This means that particles are interconnected and can affect each other even when they are separated by large distances. Together, these theories suggest that everything in the universe is interconnected and that we are not separate from the universe, but rather a part of it. That's all in this video. If you like the information, please hit like and subscribe to this channel. And be connected to this channel for more space information.